So in this project, you will build this digital clock. Now, this is a really cool project. It's easy to assemble. It's got some really interesting electrical components that we'll talk about. It's got this 4-digit, 7-segment LED display. That means that each one of the digits is actually composed of 7 individual LEDs, or 8 if you count the decimal points, which actually aren't used in this particular project. And we'll talk about how this display works. You've got a transistor, you've got some resistors, you've got some capacitors, a buzzer, a couple of buttons, and then there's a microcontroller. Now, we won't talk a lot about the microcontroller, but that's actually the brains of the clock. The rest of this is just controlling the electrical current that allows that clock to operate. That controller to operate. And then finally, you have a little clock. Now, that clock is not the same as this clock. This is a clock that is oscillating between high and low on a very, very fast schedule. All right, it has a very high frequency, and we'll talk more about that clock when we actually install it on the board. But the clock is what generates the signal that the microcontroller can use to keep the time. You will need 2 AA batteries to power this clock. They are not included in the project kit. Or you can use the included USB cable. Okay, so this end goes either into your computer or into a cell phone charger. Now, this block is not included, so you'll need one of those. But assuming you have one or you have a computer you can plug it into, then you plug this end into the clock and you can power it that way without needing the batteries. All right. As I said, it's a great little project. You're going to get to practice your soldering skills. You'll learn about all these different electrical components. You ready? Let's get started.